Hey you guys, what's up? It's Marianne Brooks, the founder of Moons CBD Smokes. I'm here because I'm going to teach you how to build out and sell decriminalized products in traditional and non-traditional locations. This course is for women. I'm going to teach you how to fully embody your femininity and use it to radicalize the sales experience, encourage trust and loyalty, and ultimately close the fuck out of any deal that you want. Our ultimate goal is to build a distribution network together. Once we do that, we can fill the shelves and fill the marketplace with amazing, natural, and ultimately healing products. We are going to use Full Moon CBD Smokes as our chariot product to build out our distribution network. Once we acquire thousands of accounts, I will begin to accept new products to enter into Full Moon's distribution channel. So let's get learning.